Technical Touching 24 Blogspot.com.
The Vivo NEX is one of the most anticipated phones from a Chinese manufacturer. Vivo NEX is set to launch tomorrow as the company's latest smartphone, but leaks and rumors are still pouring in from all corners. A lot of details regarding the upcoming handset have already been leaked in several previous reports. Recently, 2 variants of the smartphone were spotted on the company's site in China, and the specifications were in line with earlier reports. It is highly expected that the Vivo NEX will arrive in at least 2 models, with Snapdragon 845 SoC and Snapdragon 710 SoC. Now, a new report has leaked the pricing details of both the variants. Additionally, a hands-on video has also been leaked, showcasing the NEX in all its glory. Notably, another leak has claimed that a model of the handset with 256GB inbuilt storage will also be unveiled. Meanwhile, before the official launch, an alleged Vivo NEX has made an appearance in a short hands-on video. The video posted on Weibo showcases the 6GB RAM variant of the smartphone. The video provides a view of all the sides of the handset, and the design appears to confirm previous reports that the Vivo NEX will come with minimal bezels, with a high screen-to-body ratio, and the display notch is absent as well. At the rear end, the smartphone is seen to sport a vertically aligned dual-camera setup with LED flash. Since the handset is equipped with an under-display fingerprint scanner, there is nothing at the back of the phone. The upcoming smartphone is expected to arrive in 3 variants: Vivo NEX, NEX S, and NEX A. Until now, reports had been claiming that the smartphone models will be available with up to 128GB inbuilt storage. However, another new report has claimed that one of the variants will arrive with 256GB inbuilt storage. The leak confirms some of the specifications of the handset, including 6.59-inch display, 8GB RAM, and 256GB inbuilt storage. This variant will also arrive with Vivo AI voice assistant. According to the leak, the Vivo NEX pricing will start from 3798 yuan, $592, for the Snapdragon 710 variant, while the high-end Snapdragon 845 variant will come in at 4,498 yuan, $702. The high-end variant will come with 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage. In fact, at this price range, I believe both models would sell out pretty fast, especially the high-end variant. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.